And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold has made an all-time high. Okay, looking at this particular chart, you can see that gold has made a high from $2149. After that there is a continuous fall. Okay, why? Because if you look at previously, what we have seen that whenever it is hitting a new high, sharp fall we have seen. Not only this, even if you go on 10 years, 8 years back, you will see that whenever it is hitting a high, we have seen a fall is coming. See, similar fall we have seen, and this was a very much probability that it will go further upside, and I have already explained you in my long videos where you have seen that I have clearly told you that if the price started sustaining above a level of $1933, chances was very high it will go further upside. And see, it has made a high from $2149. Okay, now if you look at clearly, you will see that there are similar patterns forming. Okay, before pandemic also there are pattern formed, which is from 2012 to 2020. After that there is this particular form, and these three patterns are forming. This is a 2-year pattern, this is an 8-month pattern, and this is around 4-5 months pattern. Okay, see, from April till now. Okay, there was a higher probability that if the price started sustaining up to $1933, there was a chances it will move above a level $2008. And once the price started sustaining up to $2008, chances were very high it will cross a new high and can go further upside. Now what we can see looking at this particular chart. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $2004.25, and I have already explained you that $2008, this is a level which is a strong resistance now. Previously it was a support. Okay, chances are high that if it is not sustaining this level, a further downfall we can see, and it has already moved below this level, now trading at a level of $20.04. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, understand if there any event is coming. If you don't want to take the risk, try to avoid 1 hour before and 1 hour after trading. After that you can trade. Okay, but if you want to take the risk and make a good amount, then try to reduce your quantity to 1/4 or 1/2. Increase your SL by 4 or twice, and target also, so that you will not be affected by the volatility. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, let's see if it didn't sustain, because probability of moving further down is on a higher side. Suppose it form a swing and didn't sustain, it can go further upside again towards a level of around $2008, and once started sustaining over that level, then yes, a probability of going towards 2018 will be there. Once the price started sustaining over 2018, chances are high, yes, it will move further upside, and then we can see it will go towards a level of $2033. $2033 is a strong resistance. So once the price started going up that level, we will see it will go towards a level of $241. Okay, and if started moving off that particular zone, we will see it will go towards a level of around 2042, and from there a level of around 2047. Okay, and once the price started sustaining 2047, chances of touching a level of 2052 will be there, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2074. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over 2074, chances are high that we can see it will touch a level of around $2149, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Okay, now understand, market is uncertain, overall trend is upside till the time. See, $2008 is a strong resistance. Okay, previously it was a support, so till the time it is moving below this level, a further fall we can see. Once one started sustaining over that level, chances of touching 2033 will be there, and if it started sustaining this level, a further upside movement we can see. As I've already explained you that market is uncertain. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $1997. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 1993 is there. Okay, and if the price started falling below 1993, you can see it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going towards 1987 is there. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, chances of going towards a level of 1983 to a level of around 19 76 is there. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 1973 will be there to a level of 1970. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 1959 is there. Okay, chances are high that if the price started moving below a level of $1999, chances are very high it will fall further down, and yes, a probability of going below a level of 1970s will be there. And if started moving below that level, we can see it will go towards 1963 to a level of 1957, and from there a level of around 1952. And once the price started moving below 1952, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.